Hello everybody, today we are going to continue our work on previous series of JavaScript for beginners, and this is part 3. This is what we already made before, and this is index.html JavaScript file and stylesheet.css, and the result was this. But today we are going to do something with arrays. First we need to delete this part of HTML, save that. Connection to JavaScript file is going to stay. Then we need to switch to JavaScript file, and we need to delete this code, and we are going to start with new code. First we need to make one variable with the name colors, and then we are going to assign to that variable array of some values. Colors is equal to, and then we need to enter some values, for example green, yellow, blue, black, red, and this is array assigned to variable colors. Now we are going to show some values from this variable colors from this array, and we can do that with for example a new variable. First color is equal to colors and the number, and then we need to show that document dot write first color. 0 is green. Green is going to be assigned to 0. Yellow is going to be assigned to 1, 2, 3, 4. It starts from 0, and now we can reload our page, and the color green, first color from array, is shown. If we want the second color, we just need to enter number 1, save and reload page, and it's yellow. Second thing, we can show every color in this array with one for loop, and we can do that with this. For example, variable e is equal to 0, variable num for number is equal to 1, because it's going to start from 1 and not from 0, and then we need to make one for loop, and first we need to enter the starting value, and it's going to be 0, then the end value, and it's going to be colors dot length. It's length of array of this array, and value for correction, this is ++, and it's going to be every time bigger for 1. Then we need to show some value to document, and first we are going to show num, and then we are going to add a character, and then we are going to show value values, one first value from array, and in other circle it's going to be shown second, and it go on. Colors e and plus we are going to add and break line for nicer look. And then after that we are going to add +1 to num, so it's going to be every time bigger for 1. First value is going to be 1, second value is going to be 2, and so on. This is code for showing all values from this array, and we can reload our page now. And that's it, but we can delete this or comment. We can comment this. And now it's going to be first one. This is num value. It's on start 1, and then the value from array, first value from array, it's going to be green. Then the second value is going to be 2, because num is equal to num, and that is 2. And the second value from array is yellow, and we have second value because p is plus, and after value 0 it's going to be 1, it's going to be yellow, and so on. Third value, again, num is equal num plus 1, it's 3, and third value is blue. It's basics about arrays, and see you next time with something new and interesting. We are going to start working with functions. Goodbye.